Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your error. So if your iPhone stuck on Apple logo, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it, first thing you need to try just tap on power button and just try to power off your phone. So if it doesn't help you, so if your Apple logo won't disappear from your screen, so you just need to tap on low volume button and power button at the same time. So just keep pressing these two buttons until you will see here Apple logo. So when you will see Apple logo, just release two fingers from these two buttons. So now just release two fingers from these two buttons. It means that you successfully made forced restart. And if it doesn't help you, you can also try to connect with cable your phone to computer and just try to recovery mode. So just try to fix it like this. So I hope that this method will help you. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.